Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Coming to stock market yesterday, we could see the market opening kind of flat, and from there a big fall. The first half of the day, the market kept falling, and from there was a recovery. So, in fact, there was a recovery only later, but that is in almost the second half. I would say after the European markets opened, because initially even the European markets opened flat, and then we could see the European markets falling. In fact, Credit Suisse fell by almost 65% after the news of takeover by UBS Bank, and the worst part was even UBS fell by 16%. So overall, it was a sudden negativity that actually came in. This was something that we kind of expected yesterday morning in the podcast. We had discussed this. So, but after that, once it found a bottom, then we could see the European market starting to rise and finally did close in the green. And same thing happened in India. We could see the Indian market, recovering a lot and still closing above 17,000. So that was a good news I would see there. Apart from that, if you look at the US market also, they also were really trading volatile ahead of the Federal Monetary Policy meeting. And we could see the US market finally again closing in the green in spite of all the volatility. So of course, this was probably this kind of looks like little bottoming out process, because generally when the markets are so volatile is when the market tries to find the bottom. So again, the deciding factor here is the Federal Reserve monetary policy. So that is something that can kind of trigger the market and give a direction to the market. As of now, the market does not have a direction. It can go anywhere from here. So the D day would be, of course, tomorrow evening. So the reaction of that can be seen on the Indian market on Thursday morning. So again, that cannot be finalized because Thursday is an expiry. So the actual trend might be only confirmed by Friday. So, however, this week is something which is going to be really volatile, so there's no point in talking about it. So, let us see how things turn out, because again, Friday being the last day of the week, that could be again, a volatile day. And after that, next week is a monthly expiry, which is going to be even more volatile. So, of course, things are, kind of getting settled soon, is what I feel. So probably by April first week is what we could see the market kind of more stabilizing more. So that is something that we can expect as of now. So for today, I would say our range that we had expected around 16,800 to 17,300. This would continue to hold good until some surprises come up from the Federal Reserve in the US. So that's it for now. Let us look forward to a good day again. By the way, there's one thing I forgot to tell you. IT sector has not been performing well, specifically the big wigs like TCS and Infosys, majorly because their major clients are from the BFSI. BFSI is nothing but the banking and financial sector in the US. So with all this turmoil happening right now, the big wigs in this IT sector is also not performing well. But one good thing that we can see is the ITC and Hindustan Unilever FMCG is doing good. So yesterday the top gainers were, Hindustan Unilever and ITC were among the top gainers yesterday, and we could see the market kind of stabilizing for the FMCG sector. Of course, that is something generally in a bear market, the FMCG sector and the IT sector does good, but then IT sector is not performing this time because of the headwinds from the banking sector. But however, I feel it is just a temporary headwind. Soon IT sector should stabilize. So I am slightly on a buying spree in the IT sector. So which of course I will be sharing in the community when I do so. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth signing off until we catch up on the next podcast tomorrow morning. Goodbye. Have a great day ahead.